Like back home in Duluth, there are just so many things to do, just always checking the boxes, like the to-do boxes, that we can't do that here. We don't have cell service here. It's the best thing ever. Like, we're able to connect and slow down. Hi, I'm Liz, and this is our lake home on Lake Superior on Madeline Island. My husband and I, we have 3 small boys. They are 8, 6, and 3. They are loud, they are active, and this is a place that they can still be loud and active, but we get to actually enjoy it. So when my husband and I bought our lake home, like, we felt like it was ideal as is. But we felt like with the cold lake and enjoying the lake, that if we were to incorporate a sauna, it would just make it more able to enjoy. The lake is cold, the sauna is hot, we can enjoy the best of both worlds. At home, we'd love to have a sauna, but here it's like part of slowing down, like enjoying the sauna, slowing down with the sauna. It's just kind of part of our culture of wanting to be out here and slowing down. So my first experience with Cedar and Stone Sauna was with our friends, our good friends. We had just finished a trail marathon with them, and they invited us back to their house to sauna. I mean, the first thing I noticed right away with their sauna was how beautiful it was. I'm like, this is just a piece of art all by itself. We want our boys to have early memories of being able to sauna out here at the lake house. When they go home to Duluth and they're at school talking to their friends, we want them to be like, yeah, when we go to the lake house, we sauna. That's what we do, we sauna. We jump in the lake and then we run back to the sauna. And it's so fun. And that's what we hope, like, kind of is instilled in them, like, from their early memories. Just kind of the tradition of being out here and always having the sauna from their earliest memories. When my husband and I started talking about purchasing a sauna, the first and foremost decision that we wanted to make was, do we keep it local? And then we went on the website and started Googling around, and it was so wonderful to feel like we were being taken care of right away from the beginning. You guys have a team in place, and you have a step-by-step process that we were able to easily follow. So it never felt like we were out of touch with you guys. You helped us with the design process and how to set up the sauna. So it was very seamless for us. I'll be completely honest, like, having our kids now that they're growing up, and social media, screen time is such a big thing for them, and it's how our world is, you know, geared towards right now. It's just so perfect to have this place to just connect with them. It'd be such a beautiful experience if they could bring their friends, maybe their spouses out here someday, and enjoy that same experience with them too. Today has been a great day. Seeing it finally come to fruition, I look out here and I see the sauna, and it's hard to believe that it's actually here. But it's gonna be so fun, like a year, 5 years, 10 years from now, being like, do you remember when we didn't have the sauna? Like, how perfect is it now that it sits right there and it feels like it's always been there? It was a perfect day watching it all unfold for us.